In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. First of all, you need to go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. That was the first one and the second one. After seeing all of your shortcuts, find Auto Rotate one, or if you can't find it, Portrait one with a padlock. I have Auto Rotate one here, so when I click, it turns grey and it says Portrait. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wanna switch it on, click on Portrait shortcut until it says Auto Rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!